Hey, welcome back to RobotKingz, and today I am back with my laptop upgrade series. My SSD has finally arrived. It arrived much earlier, but they sent me the wrong version. They sent me the 2230 version instead of the 2242. So now it's finally here, and I will be installing this today. So this is the Samsung OEM SSD. It has a total capacity of 512 gigs, which is pretty good for the price I got it. So if you see over here, my laptop does not come with a screw for the second M.2 slot, which is very weird because on other laptops it does come with the screw. But so I thought I'd have to go to the laptop repair store to get a new screw and something. But I tried out using one of the motherboard screws and it works. So for now I'll be using that same screw. For reference, I've used a Philips 000 bit over here, and now I will place in the new SSD. Now you can see that the SSD fits in perfectly. Now our SSD is successfully installed and ready to be tested. Now I will reconnect the main battery and the CMOS BIOS battery. The company claims that this SSD can score up to 2000 to 2500 MPS of sequential read and write speeds. We will be testing that out with Crystal Disk Mark, so let's get right into it. Alright, so I am back on my laptop. I will open disk management real quick. Just manage, and there it is. Alright, now moment of truth. Yes, there it is. This is my D drive, and this is my 250 GB like the SSD which came with my laptop, and this is the 500 gig D. Yeah, let's check in device manager as well. I will allocate this real quick. This drive is currently in GPT, so I will give it the NTFS format, which is the most common format for drives under 2 terabytes. So let's check in device manager, disk drives. Yep, there it is. 512, the one installed, 256, the one which came with the laptop, and this is the HDD which also came with the laptop. Now let's allocate this thing. Done. There you have it. This is my new SSD. Let's check in Explorer. This PC, and here we have it, the F drive. Okay, so now let's open Crystal Disk Mark 8. Yeah, F drive, 2 tests of 1 GB each, and all. Meet you after it's done. So the sequential 1 megabyte speeds are 1500 Mbps for read and 1100 for write. Not bad. Then sequential 1 megabyte with one queue and one thread instead of 8 queues is almost 200 Mbps read speed and 575 Mbps write speed, which is also good. Then random 4 kilobytes with 32 queues and one thread is 23 Mbps read and 24 Mbps write, almost same. And the same thing with only one queue is 8 Mbps read and 21 Mbps write. All in all, this is a pretty good SSD, and I would recommend you buying it if you were on a budget like me. On that note, it's been RobotKingz video, and see you in the next one.